To change wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S26, start by opening the settings. Now you have to scroll down for wallpaper and style, and over here you can just simply change wallpapers. So if I want to get, for example, this cute dog with those glasses, I have to click on it, and now I can even set this wallpaper for both screens, lock screen and the home screen. But you can set a different home screen and the lock screen wallpaper. In this case, unselecting lock screen, click next and apply. And if you want to get a different wallpaper on the lock screen, you have to just mark a lock screen, click here on the left upper corner, and now pick another wallpaper, or you can even go into the videos. Yes, you can set a video wallpaper if you want, but in this case it's unsupported file for some reason. That's actually strange, but probably the video that you have recorded with your own phone. Yeah, for example, my cat. So I can set it, but I have to trim this. It's like too long, so I have to go like probably for like 8 seconds or something like that. And now we will be able to set up the video wallpaper. Yeah, there we go. Now it's supported, so I can click done, and here it is. Take a look. My cat on the lock screen wallpaper. You can also use the applications. So if you want to get some cool wallpapers, you can download them, for example, by using some applications in the Google Play Store, like for example the Zedge wallpaper. There we go. Completely free application, but sometimes you will get some kind of the ads. But you can find here normal wallpapers, video wallpapers, pick whatever you want. And also what I want to mention that in the settings of this phone you can find themes. And in the Themes Store you can also download wallpapers, and here you don't have any ads. And to get free wallpapers, if you don't want to pay for them, go here, select all, and switch into the free. So now, as you can see, we can find a multiple different wallpapers that you can quickly download and apply on your phone. And that's basically everything. I hope you find it useful, and please hit the like button.